Hi, I'm Katerina and I'm one of Kiwi.com's 2024 World Travel Hackers. If you still don't know what World Travel Hacker is, that means that Kiwi.com gives me 10,000 euros to travel the world this summer and I get to tell you all about it. Today we're talking about packing. This is my backpack and it's the Quechua MH500 and it has 40 plus 10 liters. And instead of telling you every single thing that I packed into it, I'm going to tell you the 3 best things that I packed and the 3 things I regret bringing with me. So to start on the outside pockets, right here at hand and for me to reach whenever I need it, I have my sleeping kit. Since I was traveling on a budget, I was sleeping in hostels. That's budgeting 101. And I'm a very light sleeper. So one of the things you should definitely take with you, it's a sleeping kit. You have the sleeping mask for hostels with lots of light, as well as earbuds to make sure you sleep through the party goers and the snorers. Another life-changing backpacker item is the electronic bag. I keep every single device here, such as my chargers, my earphones, and my portable battery. And this way, I make sure that they're never tangled and that I always know where they are and if I have them with me. I also didn't think much of it until I started using it, and now it's literally my best friend when I'm backpacking. There's my pillow that was handmade to fit all of my socks and bikinis inside of it. So I take a bunch of socks as well as a bunch of bikinis and my biggest packing regret of the Southeast Asia trip, the Decathlon towel. I have this habit of packing things that I don't use on my day-to-day and then taking them on a trip and thinking that just because I'm abroad, I'm gonna love them. No, I don't. I know that this is on every backpacker's 101 list, but I just don't like how they feel on my body and they're too small to take to the beach. So I took it traveling this summer and I highly regret it. On the other end of my pillow, however, it's my biggest packing tip of this trip, and it's called the pareo. So this is a very light piece of fabric that is absolutely multifunctional. I've used this as a cover-up. I've used this to cover my shoulders when I went to temples. I've used it after my shower. I've used it as a beach towel. This was the most multifunctional and useful item that I took the whole trip because it's so light that it dries super fast and it's way more cute than a beach towel or a shower towel. So if you're traveling soon, take one of these and you can use it for so many things, you won't regret it. When I backpacked for the first time, I took a lot of backpacker's clothing. That means clothes I didn't mind ruining or clothes that were simple. And turns out I didn't change personalities just because I flew across the world. And so I really missed my clothes. This time when I went backpacking, I made sure to take cute clothes because that's how I feel myself and that's how I feel my best version. However, I made a mistake. Falling into this advice of take things that make you feel you, I ended up taking my jewelry bag. I use loads of jewelry when I'm at home and I thought that would be the case for me while backpacking, but genuinely I couldn't be bothered. I used the same pair of earrings and the same necklace for the whole trip and I was more than happy with it. So no jewelry for me next time. When it comes to packing, I highly recommend packing cubes. These were life-changing for me. These are the compression packing cubes, which means that they become way bigger than this. Once you fill it up, you can just compress it and make it tiny to fit your backpack. Something that I found it's a bit of an unpopular opinion is that I still roll my clothes even if I'm putting them into packing cubes. I find that this makes sure that it's all ready to use, and for me, it fits way more. And finally, this is both a tip and a regret. Let's talk about shoes. I have my 3 staple backpacking shoes. Those are one pair of sports shoes that I take when I go hiking or when I'm on travel days and I'm carrying my backpack and I like to have a comfy sole to walk on. Then I have the Birkenstock, the one-fits-all backpacker shoe. I take these on hikes, to the beach, to go shopping, to go visit cities. These really are good for any kind of plan. I definitely recommend taking them on your next backpacking trip because they are the backpacker's shoe for a reason. And last but not least, my flip-flops. These are more for showers than to just walk around on a daily because I can't bear showering in communal showers bare feet. So these come with me when I'm staying at hostels because they have to. I would say this is the perfect amount of shoes to carry around. Now, when it comes to the regret. On my Southeast Asia trip, I decided to take another extra pair of shoes. These are just some nice sandals, I thought, to wear on a night out or for some nice dinner. As a budget backpacker, there are no nice dinners. I didn't dress up with these anytime. They stayed in my backpack. I wore them for one night in my layover in Abu Dhabi and they never left my backpack again. So I'll definitely stick to my 3-shoe rule and not take any other pairs of shoes next time I go backpacking. So good luck packing. Let me know in the comments if you have any more questions and follow me and Kiwi.com for more travel hacks and tips. Safe travels!